Hi, I have here two metal detectors, Technetics Liberator, it's this one, and Fisher F2. So, I would like to check which one is deeper. Just like you see, Technetics has got 11DD and Fisher typical. So I check which one is deeper.